We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Youtanic Oversized Camping Chair, portable folding camping chairs with side pocket, cup holder and carry bag. That's include extremely comfortable. Our camping chairs for adults heavy duty, designed with ergonomic principles, feature spacious seats with unfolded dimensions of 40.5 x 28 x 39 inch. The camping folding chair is filled with high loft, high-density padding in areas such as the headrest, backrest, armrests, and seat cushion, providing ample space and support for your head, neck, back, waist, and hips. This ensures a comfortable experience even during prolonged sitting. Sturdy and durable. Our camping chairs for kids consist of a robust steel frame and newly upgraded support components. With a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds, the powder-coated finish on the steel frame effectively prevents corrosion and fading. Additionally, the 600D tear-resistant Oxford fabric is tightly stitched and highly breathable. Therefore, the folding camping chair will remain stable, allowing for long-term use. User-friendly details. For added convenience, we ingeniously designed 2 Cuban pesos holders and 2 side pockets on this folding chair, allowing you to place beverages, smartphones, notebooks, and other items in an organized manner. This thoughtful design aims to provide you with the best seating experience while freeing up your hands. Lightweight and portable. This portable folding chair requires no assembly and can be opened for use within seconds. The outdoor folding chair is lightweight at only 12.6 pounds, making it extremely easy to carry. The compact structure of the camp chair allows for easy folding and storage in the provided portable carrying bag after fishing or any outdoor activity. Versatile applications. This folding lawn chair for adults is not only suitable for hiking, camping, and hiking activities but is also perfect for outdoor concerts, open-air movie nights, picnics, or for use at home. The universality of the folding camping chair for adults makes it an ideal seating choice for various occasions. Modern appearance. The foldable chair not only excels in functionality but also boasts a sleek modern appearance. Meticulously coordinated colors make the portable chair a fashionable accessory for outdoor activities, adding a touch of brilliance to your camping gear. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.